This video walks you through the process of restoring devices to factory default settings using the web system of the S380. Let's see how it's done. First, log into the web system of the S380. Then, choose Configuration, Device List. To restore a single device to its factory default settings, click the Restore Factory Settings icon next to the device. You can also select multiple devices and click Restore Factory Settings to restore them to their factory default settings in one go. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.